Okey. Okey. Selamat datang bangsa Aceh. 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 Mena. 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 Papua. Papua. Merdeka. Maluku. Merdeka. Merdeka. Merdeka.
West Papua and the South Maluku, they're here today before the the UN Human Rights Council, the future of truth, the therefore future. We gather here today to spread our solidarity and to witness the stand of thousands of other people who have died in the hands of Indonesian military as the victims of gross violence of human rights. We are here today because the international community, especially the UN military, stop this ongoing violence of human rights, which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet, condemned by the international community and the UN, to rule over an area of continental Europe by killing hundreds of thousands of the indigenous people of Aceh, West Papua, and South Maluku. We believe that terima kasih banyak. Boleh.
Belum selesai, belum putus.
Kru semangat Komando Bangsa Aceh. Nyo walaupun hujan, tanya kali tapagat aksi singkat di ke Mesham yang nak di Jenema. Walaupun hujan, semangat tetap. Agak menan katanya kata laki idin cuaca yang hana mengizinkan, tapi statement kali terbaca dan nasi kirim surat oleh pihak Aceh, Maluku beserta Papua. Government Komando Bangsa Aceh. Dan terima kasih untuk semua bangsa Papua, bangsa Aceh, bangsa Maluku. Siaran ini dari Jenewa tanggal 9 November 2022. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Merdeka negara Aceh, merdeka Papua, merdeka Maluku. Indonesia teroris, Indonesia teroris, Indonesia teroris.
Once again, we urge you to stop this aggression and support the rights to self-determination of these people. That's the only way to end this continued madness by the regime. Thank you.
What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Maluku! What do you love? Free Maluku! What do you love? Free Maluku!
Speech before the United Nations office at Geneva, Switzerland by ACHEH Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNOF, 9 November 2022. To the people of the world, we the people of Aceh, West Papua and the South Malukas gather here today before the magnificent building, the UN Human Rights Council, the city of peace, Geneva, Switzerland. We gather here today to pay our solidarity and tributes to 10,000 and possibly 100,000 of our people who have died in the hands of Indonesian military as the victims of gross violations of human rights. We are here to call the international community, especially the UN, to immediately stop these ongoing violations of human rights which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet condoned by the international community and the UN to rule over an area of continental size Europe by killing hundreds of thousands of indigenous people of Aceh, West Papua and South Maluku. If the human rights perpetrators in other countries ended up in The Hague as a war criminals, the Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in next year's presidential elections. Once here, we urge you to stop these aggressions and support the right to self-determination of these people. That's the only way to end this continued madness by the weekend. Thank you.
What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Aceh! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Papua! What do you love? Free Maluku! What do you love? Free Maluku! What do you love? Free Maluku!
Can I make a picture of you? Yeah? Oh.